In my argument, I presented sex as the fulfillment of an epistemic capacity, a capacity to know, right? The power of touch. I've been asked, well, this seems a rather cold picture of sex. Isn't part of what makes sex special is that it's a loving occasion. It's an occasion where people are affectionate and tender with each other. I certainly think that's the case. And I think that the account of sex as a fulfillment of the power of touch can help us understand that. By being a fulfillment of the power of touch, that means that we are both letting ourselves be known and knowing. We are being vulnerable, exposing ourselves to being known, and we are also entering into the other. And since this is a mutual desire to know and be known, we are fulfilling each other's desires, and we are united in a common desire and will. And I think that's a very important fact of sex. It's not only that one knows and is known, but also that one wills a common activity, and that one shares a will in doing so. And I think this is an important fact of sex because it can also explain in what sense within sex itself, like within the concept of sex, the concept of domination is also connected. Because of course one way of achieving a quick union of wills is when one will is eliminated. When one person obeys and the other orders, you have a kind of immediate intimacy, which, however, is empty if we compare it with the case of two equal partners whose wills are aligned because of and how they know each other. And therefore, in some sense, domination suffers from the opposite problem of masturbation, whereas masturbation eliminates the other because you're only touching yourself. In domination, the other is there, but they're eliminated because they're only obeying, or oneself is eliminated if one is in this submissive position. In the case of masturbation, you have knowledge without otherness, whereas in the case of domination, you have willing without otherness.